of that, in these Nagarpalika areas, we will find out how many pregnant women are there and share that information.
Okay, sir. HCQS availability is also a problem. Should we provide it to us and our staff for prophylaxis? What is the current guideline? HCQS prophylaxis for medical health professionals आणि त्यांचा support staff.
रुटीन नकोय मॅडम, पण आपल्याला जर कोविड-19 सस्पेक्ट असेल तर मग आपण प्रोफिलॅक्सिस घ्यायला हरकत नाही.
अच्छा, रुटीनली सगळ्यांनी घ्यायची जरूरत नाही. ब्लँकेट prophylaxis not required.
नाही, मला नाही वाटत सगळ्यांनी घ्यायची गरज आहे.
Okay. Sir, after informing the NMC authorities, can we send the patient back home as we have screened their symptoms at the entrance of the hospital? If we need to admit such a patient, then the hospital is at risk if the test comes positive. So what do we do? Should we inform the NMC as soon as we feel this is a suspect patient? Or whom should we inform?
You need to inform to the, if it is the city area, corporation area, to the NMC.
Okay.
If it is the rural area, then it has to be communicated to the collector office. The reason is that whosoever has come in contact with that person, maybe the child, maybe the husband, maybe the other members of the family, then in that case, those other people, high-risk contacts, are also to be examined for corona infection.
Okay.
So, as soon as you have this type of an information with you, that needs to be immediately shared, because if it is not shared, then you are liable for some legal action.
Yes, that is why. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it mandatory to screen all the ANC patients near term or only those who reside in sealed containment area? हा सारखा प्रश्न सगळ्यांना येतोय.
काय ते?
Is it mandatory to screen all the ANC patients near term?
नाही, कंटेनमेंट झोन मध्येच फक्त हा प्रश्न येईल मॅडम, आणि वेदर नियर टर्म ऑर नॉट. कंटेनमेंट झोनचा प्रश्न आहे. बाकी नॉर्मल एरियातला आपल्याला सगळ्यांना स्क्रीनिंग करायची गरज नाही. आपण
ठीक आहे. Okay, sir. What is the procedure if an asymptomatic and low risk case turns out to be positive after discharge from a private hospital or after visiting hospital OPD in the next 2 days? What is the procedure?
No, so if someone is turning positive later on, there is no your contribution to that is nil, unless
नाही, पण 2 days later आली आणि त्याचा तो incubation period 15 days आहे ना, so it is likely that we all have come in contact with that positive patient. We means whoever has admitted that patient.
आपण हा जो प्रश्न जो आहे ना, हा प्रश्न थोडंसं भीतीपोटी विचारला गेलाय असं मला वाटतं, की ह्यामध्ये कोण कधी पॉझिटिव्ह येईल, काय येईल, हे तर काही कोणाच्या चेहऱ्यावर काही लिहिलेलं नाही. सो why to worry about a thing about which there is no certainty of the things. Like तुमच्याकडनं ती व्यक्ती गेली आणि त्याच्यानंतर 2 दिवसांनी ती पॉझिटिव्ह आली. So are you responsible for that? Your responsibility is not over there. So you need not to worry about it.
So responsibility as far as the administration is concerned is over, की आम्हाला कळवायचं नाहीये. पण आम्ही स्वतः काय प्रिकॉशन घ्यायची, because we have come with a contact with a patient who has now turned COVID positive and who was with us for a few days. So अशा वेळेला what is the procedure for us? Safety procedure.
आता कसं आहे, the moment that person is supposed to be positive, then in that particular case, all the people who have come in contact with that person for last 14 days have to be traced.
Okay.
And their samples are to be taken.
Okay. So we'll have to get ourselves screened in that case, tested in that case.
Yeah, if at all someone turns out to be positive.
Positive after discharge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So there are a few more questions. Swati, quickly take over.
Yeah, please.
Swati?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Quickly take over the questions in the chat box.
Ma'am, it was regarding the same. Can we do elective LSCS rather than waiting for normal labor? There were 2 questions regarding this concern about the. Yeah, sir. The question is, can we do elective LSCS rather than waiting for normal delivery, which will need more monitoring, and probably the development of aerosols will be more in case of normal labor?
I do not suppose, madam, that should be the indication of conducting an elective LSCS. The normal rules for delivering a baby should apply, COVID or non-COVID.
So, but exposure time will increase. The patient stays in labor for a long time.
If you are observing all the precautions, the time of exposure does not matter.
Okay, so you have to take precautions and do it. Next, Swati.
Can we ask for Aadhaar card to confirm address of every patient?
Yeah, that you can do. So it is your hospital. It is your hospital, and administratively, when you want to actually really confirm, then of course you have every right to confirm, because if someone is giving some false information and that leads to infection getting spread to other persons due to the false information,
Yes, sir.
then that is more bad.
Yes.
So you can always insist
Okay.
Aadhaar card and all those things.
Okay. So there is a question why the patient should not be referred to proper center. Probably is a patient from the containment area. Why the patient should not be referred to the proper center is the question.
If at all you find the patient to be a positive patient, if it so appears, then of course that patient can be referred to GMC or IGMC, no issue.
It can be referred. Will the staff and the doctor be tested by NMC after delivering COVID patient?
I did not get you.
Sir, they are asking that if the patient turns positive after the delivery, will the NMC be testing the doctors and the staff who has come in contact with that patient?
Basically, you just told that if the patient after discharge or after delivery turns out to be positive, all the contracts need to be seen.
Okay. So NMC will be doing that for us.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Sir, can throat swab RT-PCR can be done on OPD basis, or the patient needs to be admitted for that? So they are asking that whether it can be done on OPD basis.
Home collection पण allowed आहे. गाईडलाईन मध्ये आहे म्हणतात.
होम स्वॅब आहे ना?
ICMR guideline says that even home collection can be done by the private labs.
Okay.
I think there should be no problem in advising them this on OPD basis and get it done.
Okay. Sir, is COVID declaration form is must for each patient?
I think this is the prerogative of the hospital.
Okay. And sir has already mentioned that they will be sending us the government accredited centers for the proper collection. And 2 or 3 questions were regarding that. They wanted to know the government centers in Nagpur for proper. Okay, there's one question: which are the government centers in Nagpur for proper care of positive ANC patients?
GMC and IGMC as of date.
Okay, sir. I think, ma'am, these are the only questions.
No, there's one more. So if you are planning an elective section, do we need to keep her indoor till the COVID test report comes to us? If a patient from a containment zone comes to us for a cesarean section, do we first need to keep her indoors till her report comes and only then operate?
How long do we otherwise keep her indoors?
Sir, post-operative 3 to 4 days.
So that should be the period well within the time period for which the test report should be available to you.
No, no, so before operating, should we wait for the report to come? Only then should we operate, or we can operate and then let the report come? Because
if you can wait, you are welcome. But if you cannot wait and the condition demands, you can go ahead and perform the seizure and then wait for the results, right? It rather depends on the patient's condition than on the test results.
Right, right. One more first question was on Kamptee, one patient.
Yeah, if we are having a patient from Kamptee for LSCS, should we first get COVID test done, then only take for seizure? I mean, any patient coming from Kamptee, do they need the testing first and only then we should take up for LSCS or for delivery?
For Kamptee, I can tell you one thing, that already 14 days are over, and therefore there is no containment, no new case has been found over there. So there is no reason why we should be that the patient has some issues, or your that pulse oximeter shows some signs like that, then that is fine. That could be done.
All right. Right, sir. I think we are almost done with all the questions. Thank you so much, sir, for तुमच्या एवढ्या busy time मधनं तुम्ही आम्हाला आज वेळ दिलात. खूप queries होत्या members ना. So just a small reminder, CS sir, तुम्ही आम्हाला आता